Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video tutorial dedicated to help you get rid of fake survey alerts related to the site Padthinmol.live. Padthinmol.live is a really dangerous site which may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This site tries to make you share your personal data through arranging fake surveys. It is definitely a very serious mistake for you to share your personal details through these pop-ups. Don't ever do that. Just leave this deceptive page. And I also recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start carefully examining the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other infections from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.